Okay guys, so right now we are at Nachi waterfall. As you can see behind me, I just parked my car here and we have to go on top, and around here it takes maybe almost 1 hour. It depends on you how long you want to walk here, 1 hour, 1.5 hours. So please watch my video till end so you can see each and every part of the Nachi waterfalls and which place you have to go first and which place you have to go later on. So enjoy the Nachi waterfall. So this is Nachi waterfall. As you can see, only I am here, nobody in this place right now. It's beautiful. You must try to come as much as early you can, or you should come in like around 12 o'clock, something like that. Then that time, like a Japanese actually goes to eat the lunch. That's the break time. So you cannot find so many people here. And especially in this year, in 2021, there's a corona. So because of COVID, there's not so many people here. But the beauty of this waterfall is really amazing. ये खूबसूरत तरीन waterfall है जापान के अंदर जो आप अभी देख रहे हैं. This shrine is almost 15 minutes walk from the waterfall till here. So if you don't want to walk and if you have car, it's almost like a 300 meters you can take. Drive the car on top of the mountain, but you have to pay almost like 800 yen. Check the video till end and you can find how to reach here. And you can find so many good points to come to this place, and it makes easy for your tour when you travel here. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and push the bell icon. If possible, write the comments about the Japan. What do you think and when would you like to come to Japan?